me repeat one more time. Okay. Let me remove this script. Let me remove this link. Okay, I'll remove this entire stuff. Created one index.html file. This one everyone know. This one everyone know this one. So now what I'm going to do means go to this website. Go to this website called getbootstrap.com. Okay, just type get bootstrap. Okay, just type get bootstrap. That's it. No .com, nothing like that. Just type get bootstrap. That's it. Now press enter. Okay, you will be redirecting to this page. You will be redirecting to this page. Getbootstrap.com. Click the bootstrap. The most popular HTML CSS JavaScript library. Okay, everyone getting like this? Everyone getting like this? Maheshwar, I am going to kill you. If you join late means again I will not do. This is the fourth time I explained the file creation. Again you are asking. And CSS HTML you are sleeping or what? Sir, there is two links. Which one I need to choose? Getbootstrap.com. Just type getbootstrap. Here getbootstrap.com is the right HTTPS getbootstrap.com. Choose this website. Nikhil Tiwari. Wait, Nikhil Tiwari. I'll tell you. Okay? Everyone went to this website. Click this bootstrap.com and click the doc. Click the doc. Okay, click the doc. After clicking the docs, scroll down, copy the CSS. First copy the CSS. Copy it. Then go to your HTML. Create a doc type. Create a doc type like this. Okay, in head tag, paste the CSS. One CDN of CSS will be linked. Okay, I told you that Bootstrap will not work alone. It will have the dependency. Popper.js, JavaScript and jQuery. Okay, and here in body part, okay, HTML will be always, that means CSS will be always in the head part. Okay, but JavaScript and jQuery will be always in body part. Okay, JavaScript and jQuery will be always in body part. That is a good practice, guys. Okay, if you scroll down, below the CSS only you are having JavaScript. Okay, here we'll be having, if you scroll this, we'll be having bootstrap.bundle.min.js. Copy this link. Okay, copy this script research, entire script research. Copy the script entire research. Done. JavaScript is sent. Copy it. Everyone copied? Everyone copied or not? Yes. What is the what? What is the advantage of this link stuff? Wait, Venkat. I'll tell you. What is the need of that one? I'll tell you. Okay. First, copy this and paste inside your body. Okay, paste inside your body. Done. Next will be go here, scroll down. Here you will be having separate link called popper.js as well as jQuery. But don't take jQuery link. Sometimes this here itself there will be two. Okay, fine. Okay, we'll be taking. Hey Mamta, what? I'm going too fast, guys. I'm going too fast. No, everyone is telling no, but what? What can I do? So copy this one. Instead of copying this JS, remove this JS, guys. Instead of copying this JS, Go here, that there will be two links will be there. Script src, bootstrap popper.js as well as JavaScript. JavaScript link will be there. Copy this one. Copy this one. Instead of copying this, copy this one. Copy it up. Everyone copied this one. Copy it up. Then inside the body, paste the script. Shall I paste? Shall I paste the script? Shall I paste the script tag? Yeah. Now both popper.js as well as min.js both have been linked. Both have been linked. And now I want jQuery. How to include jQuery means go here, jQuery, type jQuery. Type jQuery, press enter. Yeah, go to Google, type jQuery and press enter. Everyone went to this website. Everyone went to this website. jQuery website. Guys, everyone went to this website. I think that is. What about others? Okay. After this, click this jQuery link. Click this jQuery link. I'll share this link also. Yeah, I'll share the link also. Everyone getting the interface like this? Everyone getting the interface like this? Everyone getting the interface like this? Here, download option is there, right? Click the download option. Click the download option. It will redirect to the downloaded page. Okay, it will redirect to download page. Click the download option, this one. Download button will be there, right? Click this button. Click this button. Click this download button. Okay, click this download button. Everyone click this download button. After clicking, it will redirect to this page. It will redirect to this page. Okay, here, scroll down. Scroll down. Scroll down. Here you will be having download the compressed production jQuery 3.6.0. Click this link. Click this link. Download the compressed production jQuery 3.6.0. Everyone getting like this? The hyperlink. Okay. Click this link. Click this link. It will redirect to this page. It will redirect to this page. Copy the URL. Copy the URL. That's it. Copy this URL. Copy this URL and then go here inside the body part. Create one SRC, not SRC, script SRC. Script. Create one script tag. Yeah, create like this. Create one script tag like this. Okay, script tag like this. And inside the starting tag, call SRC and give paste the copied link. That's it. jQuery is also added. jQuery is also added. That's it, guys. Any doubt? This is the way we can include the bootstrap. Okay, wait, Venkatesh Kumar, wait. Now, how to check this? One sec. I'll explain again all those stuff. Okay, I'll remove the jQuery and I'll explain one more time. Okay. Sir, in Bootstrap 5, they have removed jQuery. Yeah, in Bootstrap 5, they have removed the jQuery. They are included JavaScript. Sir, we have to include always. Why we should link, sir? Sir, add steps in notes. Sure. Okay. Sir, in every time we use same thing to start Bootstrap. Yeah, this is mandatory. Okay. But one more thing, if you are using this link tag with all the CDN links, you have to connect with internet. Otherwise, it won't work. Okay, you have to connect with internet. Otherwise, it won't work. Okay, if you are using CDN link means it will be need some internet connection. Otherwise, it won't work. Sagar, if you want to bootstrap, you have to link. Okay, this is the way you have to link the bootstrap. So now, if you want to check the link will be, that means bootstrap will be added or not. Call one button tag. Call class btn danger. Yeah, like this. And here, give the content like click. Yeah. Now, if you open with live server, I got a beautiful button. Did I use any kind of CSS here? No CSS, nothing. No CSS, nothing. Just with the help of classes, we can create a beautiful button like this. Okay? We can create beautiful button like this. Only one with the help of class. Okay? Click, again click, and give the class called btn success. That's it. I got green color button. Getting a? Okay. Class is must. That's why I have given here. See, Bootstrap is having what? It will be having built-in classes to avoid CSS property. The second point. Read this second point. It will be having inbuilt class to avoid CSS property. Okay? Yeah, Sayanpira. Why it is green? Because of this inbuilt property of success. Success means green, danger means red color. These are the inbuilt property. Okay? There will be multiple properties are there. Okay? So what is the extension for Bootstrap? CSS. See, extension of Bootstrap is what? Bootstrap.min.css. CSS only. Understood? I told you, right? This is the extension version of CSS. Advanced version of CSS.